Good morning, students of class 3. Today I am going to start our GK class. We have already going to complete. We are going to complete our syllabus for the first term. Just 2 or 3 pages are left there. And this chapter is based on road safety. We have learned this chapter from our social studies, isn't it? Chapter 8 from social studies, be safe and be happy. Here we can see some pictures, traffic signal, zebra crossing, and some boys riding on a bicycle, isn't? Can you see these pictures? Page number 24. Yes, we must go or stop when the traffic signal is red. Yes, which is the correct answer? Correct answer is stop. We must stop when the traffic signal is red. We should be careful on the road. Yes. And which are the safe action we have to circle here. We should always use the zebra crossing or level crossing to cross the road. We see the level crossing in the railway track and zebra crossing on the road. So we should always use zebra crossing to cross the road. Yes, correct answer is zebra crossing. We must never play on the road in the park. Yes, we must play in the park but not on the road. So answer is we must never play on the road. It's clear? Question number 4. On the road we should always hold the hand or feet of an adult. On the road we should always hold the hand of an adult. When we are crossing the road, when we are using that road, we should hold the hands of our parents or our and elders. We should always wear a hat or helmet while cycling. We should not cycle on the road. So when we are riding on the cycle, we must wear helmet. So answer is we should always wear helmet while cycling. We should not cycle on the road. Okay, come to the next. Honesty. Have you heard the word honesty? Yes, we must be honest in our work. What will you do in these situations? Take your answers. You bought things worth 250 rupees from a shop and you paid rupees 500 to the shopkeeper. He returned rupees 300. What will you do? Will you return the extra money to the shopkeeper or take the money and leave? Yes, we must return the extra money to the shopkeeper. Number 2, you have lost the book that you borrowed from your friend. Will you say that you did not borrow the book from her or him, or tell her or him the truth? Yes, if we lost, if I have lost the book that I borrowed from my friend, I must tell her or him the truth. Number 3, you are playing a game with your friends. One of your friends breaks a rule. Will you tell your friend that he or she is breaking the rule or not say anything and continue to play? Yes, we must tell our friend that he or she is breaking the rule. Clear? So, these are the honesty work. Number 4, your teacher has given you homework. Will you ask your parents to do the homework for you or you complete the homework yourself? Yes, I must complete the homework myself. So answer will be complete the homework yourself. Number 5. You break a vase. You break a vase. Will you tell your parents that you broke the vase or blame your sister or brother? Yes, I must tell my parents that I broke the vase. So answer is tell your parents that you broke the vase. It's clear? Come to the next page, page number 26 and 27. In the page number 26, there is a picture of a cheetah with her cubs. Yes. Cheetah are the world's fastest land animals. They are found in Africa. Comparing to a man, it cheetah runs 100 meters per minute. Cheetah have black spot on their golden or yellowish body. The spots help cheetahs to hide easily in tall grass. Cheetahs cannot roar. They chop, growl, hiss or purr. Take the correct option. Which is the largest animal in the world? The largest animal in the world? Answer is blue whale. Which animal has quills on its body? Is porcupine. Have you seen porcupine? Yes. Which animal eats eucalyptus leaves and is found in Australia? It is koala. Koala eats eucalyptus leaves. Which animal is found in the Gir National Park? It is lion. Which of these birds cannot fly? Hornbill, flamingo, ostrich. Ostrich cannot fly. Yes. Page number 28. Our syllabus is up to this much for the first term. What sounds do these animals make? Circle the correct option. A wolf howls, screams, howls. A monkey snorts or chatters. An owl bleats or hoots. A whale sings or croaks, sings. A whale sings. Number 5. A hen crackles or buzzes. A hen crackles. A cricket quacks or chirps. A cricket chirps. A bear squeaks or growls. What do you call the young ones of these animals? Deer, fawn, Fawn. Bear, cub, cub. Goose, gosling. Zebra, foal. Kangaroo, joey. Camel, calf, calf. Thank you for today.